ASUS has officially unveiled the ROG Phone 9 series, comprising the ROG Phone 9 and ROG Phone 9 Pro. These smartphones cater specifically to gaming enthusiasts, delivering cutting-edge hardware and innovative features for an enhanced gaming experience. ASUS has significantly improved the cooling system with a 360-degree SoC cooling system Gen 3 design, a 57% larger graphite sheet, and a redesigned Aeroactive Cooler X Pro, which includes 12.5% larger fan blades and enhanced thermal materials. The cooler also features a subwoofer for 2.1 stereo sound and adds hardware shoulder buttons for a more immersive gaming experience. Additionally, the series comes with the ROG Chill Case, which leverages composite vapor chamber (CVC) technology to reduce temperatures by up to 17%, ensuring consistent peak performance even during demanding AAA gaming. The ROG Phone 9 series features a 6.78 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED HDR LTPO display, supporting a refresh rate of up to 165 Hz for smooth gaming and 185 Hz in select titles. It offers 2500 nits peak brightness, 107% DCI-P3 color gamut, and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for added durability. Under the hood, the phones are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC, boasting a 45% increase in CPU performance and a 40% improvement in GPU capabilities compared to the previous generation. Paired with LPDDR4x RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, the series supports configurations of up to 24GB RAM and 1TB storage, achieving a record-breaking Antutu score of 3,121,390. The smartphones run on Android 15 with ROG UI, which offers a tailored gaming interface along with the latest Android features. ASUS guarantees 2 major OS updates and 4 years of security updates. The ROG Phone 9 features a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel Sony Lydia 700 sensor as the primary lens, offering 6-axis gimbal stabilization for enhanced video stability. It is accompanied by a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 5-megapixel macro sensor. The ROG Phone 9 Pro, on the other hand, replaces the macro lens with a 32-megapixel 3x telephoto camera, featuring OIS for clearer zoomed-in shots. Both models have a 32-megapixel front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. The series is powered by a 5800 mAh battery, supporting 65 watts fast charging with hypercharge technology. It also offers 15-watt Qi wireless charging and is compatible with Quick Charge 5.0 and power delivery standards. Both devices include dual SIM 5G, connectivity Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. The phones retain the beloved 3.5mm audio jack and dual stereo speakers. They also feature IP68 water and dust resistance, making them durable and reliable for varied environments. The ROG Phone 9 series features the Anime Vision display at the back, with 85 programmable mini LEDs on the base model and 648 on the Pro, offering enhanced customization and striking visuals for gaming enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.